everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Flash flooding, high winds and heavy rain are all forecast in Victoria in Australia. After a warm Easter long weekend, Victoria is set for a brutal cold front with the severe weather warnings for the high winds and heavy rainfall now in place. The Bureau of Meteorology, meteorologist Stephanie Miles said showers and thunderstorms were due to develop over the western parts of the state on Monday before transitioning to a rain band with the embedded thunderstorms in the afternoon. This rain band is associated with a cold front that will be crossing the state and will extend from roughly Madura down to the Otways during the afternoon. And then it will be crossing Melbourne late this afternoon into the evening around midnight before the eastern ranges early tomorrow morning. We are expecting heavy rainfall in the thunderstorms throughout this morning period, then broad areas of the rain from this afternoon with the rain band. Flash flooding is possibility with this heavy rainfall, particularly in most places that we said before they are expecting the heaviest rainfall. The oncoming storms are expected to blow the haze away that has been blanketing Melbourne, improving air quality and general visibility. It's more so just flash flooding with the heavy rainfall and thunderstorms that will kind of just produce any nuisance flooding over the roads and alike. The oncoming storms are expected to blow the haze away that has been blanketing Melbourne, improving the air quality and general visibility. Meteorologists recommended staying extra vigilant on the road and keeping up to date with the weather warnings from the Bureau. Warmth remains on the cards for Sydney, Canberra and Adelaide through Tuesday with the similarly toasty conditions prevailing north of Melbourne. Brisbane, Perth and Sydney can expect maximum temperatures between 27 degrees and 30 degrees. But a weather system will drag rain across the southern Australia and cool changes are likely to move through the Wednesday. In Darwin, more storms are expected to reach through the town, but the temperature will stay warm at about 32 degrees, even increasing to 35 degrees in the coming days. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.